words I say, and tell me what it means to me. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know. Come to me and hold me, then you will see the love again, but you still hold.
Thank you very much for our lovely gentlemen. So, before we move on to our next program, I would like to request Grace to have a message first to our gentlemen.
Hello po sa inyo. Tulong mo sa akin, kinakabahan ako eh, Howard. Ayun po, magpasalamat po ako sa mga pumunta ngayon. Sa Eating Roses po. Kinakabahan ako.
Happy birthday, Mary Grace!
Okay. So let's give a round of applause to our band. Thank you. Thank you very much. So let's move on now with our 18 candles. First on the list, may I call on Miss Mikey Molina to give a message to our debutant.